Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are fine, and let's begin our English lesson. Open your copybooks and write down the date. Today is the 26th of January, and today we have a new theme, snow and ice. Aim is to explore other subject areas, geography, and to develop reading skills. First of all, copy out the new words on your vocabulary books. After that, look, listen, and repeat.
Snow and ice. Snow and ice. Ice crystal. Ice crystal. Scarf. Scarf. Gloves. Gloves. Penguin. Penguin. Snowflake. Snowflake. Blue whale. Blue whale. Winter. Winter. Antarctica. Antarctica.
Open your pupils book at page 78, exercise 26. Choose and match on the igloo the words that have to do with snow and ice. These words are gloves, penguin, summer, winter, scarf, sunglasses, snowflake, ice crystal, shorts, beach. The next exercise is exercise 27 on page 78. Listen and read. Сабағымыздың екінші мақсаты оқу дағдысын дамыту болғандықтан, бірінші осы мәтінді тыңдаймыз, содан соң мәтінді оқып, маған аудиожазбамен жазып жібереміз.
Antarctica is the coldest and windiest place on Earth. It is bigger than the USA. There's a lot of ice in Antarctica. There are rivers and lakes. There's even an active volcano, Mount Erebus. Penguins and blue whales live in Antarctica. Antarctica is dark 24 hours a day in winter. Winter in Antarctica is from March to August. Summer is from September to February, when it is light all the time.
The last task is exercise 28 on page 79. Read again and correct the sentences. For example, Antarctica is smaller than the USA. Антарктида ақш мемлекетіне қарағанда кішірек. Сөйлем дұрыс емес. Дұрысы Antarctica is bigger than the USA. Антарктида ақш мемлекетіне қарағанда үлкенірек. For today, I gave you 2 tasks. The lesson is over. Goodbye.